The Arduino UNO is a popular microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P microcontroller. It is widely used for electronics projects and prototyping because of its simplicity, versatility, and beginner-friendly nature. Here are its key features. Specifications. Microcontroller, ATmega 328P. Operating voltage, 5 volt. Input voltage, Digital I/O pins, 14, 6 of which can be used as PWM outputs. Analog input pins, 6 clock speed, 16 MHz, flash memory, 32 KB, 0.5 KB used by bootloader. SRAM, 2 KB, EEPROM, 1 KB. USB connection, used for programming and power supply. Power jack, for external power supply. ICSP header, for programming the microcontroller. Uses and applications. 1. Prototyping, ideal for beginners and professionals to create electronic circuits and devices. 2. Robotics, used for building robots and automation projects. 3. IoT projects, acts as a base for Internet of Things IoT applications. 4. Sensors and actuators, interfacing with sensors, temperature, light, etc., and actuators, LEDs. 5. Educational purposes, common in learning environments for teaching electronics and programming.